I'm about to spend 4 minutes in a cold plunge. At 60 years old, I was carrying over 340 pounds. Then life hit me. Hit me hard. In October of 2025, I lost $250,000 in a bad investment. That loss devastated me. It wasn't just the money. It was the betrayal, the anger, the stress, the embarrassment, and the realization that years of hard work disappeared because I trusted the wrong person. For a while, I was carrying around a lot of rage. I was angry at the person who caused it. Angry at myself, and honestly, angry at life. At the same time, I was carrying over 340 pounds and heading in a direction I knew wasn't sustainable. Something had to change. Today, I'm down more than 60 pounds. And one of the biggest lessons that I've learned is this. Transformation isn't about motivation. It's about learning how to sit with discomfort. All right, let's get in. Every part of my body is telling me to get out. And that's exactly the point. Most people think coming down here in the success and finding comfort. But I think it comes from becoming comfortable, being uncomfortable. Whether it's losing weight, recovering from a financial loss, fixing a relationship, building a business, or rebuilding your confidence after life knocks you down. The first instinct is always the same. Quit. Oh, it's cold. Walk away. Take the easy path. The cold plunge reminds me that discomfort is temporary. I can control my breathing. I can control my reaction. But if I can control my reaction, I can make better decisions. Not just in cold water. In life. Nobody enjoys being cold. Nobody enjoys turning down food when they're trying to lose weight. Nobody enjoys getting up to walk when they're tired. Nobody enjoys looking in the mirror and admitting something has to change. But every time you do something different, build evidence. Evidence that you're stronger than you thought. Evidence that you're capable of more. Evidence that you don't have to stay where you are. The research says cold plunges may help with inflammation, recovery, alertness, and mood. Maybe, but for me, the biggest benefit is mental. Every second I stay in this water is a reminder that discomfort doesn't control me. Food doesn't control me. Fear doesn't control me. And neither does a bad chapter in my life. I lost $250,000. I made mistakes. I've been overweight. I've struggled. But I'm still here. And I'm still fighting. I'm still learning. Still moving forward. And that's what the journey is about. Not perfection. Progress. 1 pound at a time. 1 decision at a time. 1 day at a time. And sometimes 1 cold plunge at a time. If you're watching this and you're facing your own challenge, whether it's your health, your finances, your relationship, or something else nobody can see, don't focus on changing your entire life. Just do 1 difficult thing and then do it again tomorrow and the next day. That's how lives change. If this message resonated with you, follow my journey, hit subscribe, and come along as I work toward losing 100 pounds, rebuilding my health, and creating a better future at 60 years old. Because the best lessons in life aren't taught. They're lived. They are learned,
And eventually, they are wisdom earned.